Are you constantly munching on junk food, or do you consider yourself a health enthusiast? Now let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Our world today is filled with quick, easy, and convenient food options. Unfortunately, these options are often loaded with sugars, fats, and chemicals. This convenience culture has led many of us down a path of unhealthy eating habits. The consequence? A surge in health problems, obesity, diabetes, heart disease. These are just some of the issues that can stem from our food choices. The harsh reality is that our eating habits can significantly impact our health, and not in a good way. But it's not all gloom and doom. There's a silver lining to this dark cloud. We have the power to change our eating habits, to make better choices that lead to better health. But don't worry, changing your eating habits for the better is easier than you might think. Adopting healthier eating habits doesn't require drastic changes. Small, steady steps often work best. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are often found in their natural state, unaltered by any artificial additives or processing techniques. They are packed with essential nutrients and are usually low in unnecessary fats and sugars. Think brown rice over white, whole grain bread rather than refined, and fresh fruits and vegetables instead of canned ones. Speaking of fruits and vegetables, incorporating more of these into your meals is an excellent way to improve your diet. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy body. A good tip is to aim for a plate that's half filled with fruits and vegetables. You can also try adding fruits to your breakfast cereal or yogurt, or using vegetables in your sandwiches or wraps. Next, controlling portion sizes is a practical way to manage your calorie intake without feeling deprived. It's not just about eating less, but rather about eating smart. An effective strategy is to use smaller plates and bowls, which can trick your mind into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. Also, try to listen to your body and eat only until you're comfortably full, not stuffed. Staying hydrated is another crucial aspect of healthy eating. Water plays a vital role in many bodily functions, including digestion and nutrient absorption. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. You can also boost your hydration by eating water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, or strawberries. Finally, reducing your intake of added sugars and unhealthy fats is key to a healthier diet. These can often hide in processed foods, so be sure to check labels. Opt for unsaturated fats found in avocados and nuts, and natural sugars found in fruits. Remember, every healthy choice you make counts and contributes to your overall well-being. So, what have we learned about adopting healthier eating habits? We've seen that the food choices we make are crucial. It's not just about avoiding junk food, but about embracing a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. We've also learned some practical tips to improve our eating habits. These include planning meals ahead, drinking plenty of water, and not skipping breakfast. We've realized that small changes, like swapping out processed snacks for fresh fruits or nuts, can make a big difference. Lastly, we've emphasized the positive impact these changes can have on our overall health. A healthier diet can boost our energy levels, improve our mood, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. With these tips in mind, you are well on your way to a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today. Eat well and stay healthy.